Hi, I'm Gabriel with Aving News, and we're here at H2 Meet 2024 in Seoul, South Korea. Would you please introduce yourself?
Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Kwangki Shin. I'm working for Linde Hydrogen Pure Tech. I'm responsible for APEC, Asia Pacific APEC, sales, mobility stations solutions. So nice to meet you, and have a good day.
That's a long name. That's a very, very long name. I get it. So you just got off stage. You did a 20-minute presentation.
Yep.
I know it's very difficult to summarize that long of a presentation, but could you tell us a little bit about what you talked about?
Okay. Well, my main agenda was refueling protocol, the standard developing, and what. Let me. If I just make a very simple simple sentence, so 300 bar refueling and 700 bar refueling for mobility exists, and then if we think about the economics and if we think about the efficiency wise, I recommend 700 efficiency and 350 bar refueling for economics.
Okay.
So that's the main topics, but I also add some kind of an introduction of my product.
Okay. Feel free to introduce your product here.
Okay, well, Linde has a really good technology for a mobility refueling station, especially of the world. Gaseous station, the ionic compressor, and liquid hydrogen, let's say the cryo pump, 90. And also the SLH2 pump, the state-of-art technology at the moment. So Linde is the kind of one of the company who has all the solution for any form of H2, hydrogen.
Okay.
So this is the, I think, big advantage and a big technology I understood.
Okay.
So I'm very proud of my company's technology.
All right.
Yeah.
That's good to know. Good to hear. So how are you finding your experience at H2 Meet? I know it's only been the first half of the day, but are you seeing anything that is inspiring you or anything that's catching your eye?
Okay, well, since the first H2 Meet show, from 2021, I joined here.
Okay.
But it's a little bit sad to say, whenever the shows goes, the visitors is getting reducing.
Right.
I think it's because of that people has start having some doubt about the hydrogen business. But from my understanding, hydrogen itself is very obviously is the future.
Right.
For no one has doubt about it.
Right.
But the problem is that on the way to get that finer, the hydrogen, the future, there are a lot of obstacles and the difficult, the challenge.
Right.
Because of that, at the moment, all the hydrogen business is getting down and go slow. This is my feeling. So I also present about that in the speech.
Yep.
So if really hydrogen is the solution for the future, then we don't need to rush and we don't need to just run and run.
Right.
Maybe we should just learn about the hydrogen more detailed
Right.
to go more clearly and more obviously.
Yep.
So this is my point. So if hydrogen is really the future,
Yep.
then we don't need to work like this. We don't need to run like this. We have to learn more about the hydrogen.
Right.
So that's my message.
But I guess it's funny. I can see from both points of view. Right. From your point of view, we know it's going to work. Let's just take our time. But for everyone else, it's, well, if it's going to work, why doesn't it work yet? Right?
Yeah,
right?
that's a good question. Yes, yeah. I think a lot of things. Well, for example, from operator perspective, there are no many cars to make the business with hydrogen refueling. From hydrogen car driver perspective, there are no many stations on the street.
So the infrastructure.
Yeah.
Right.
So
okay.
I think it is because of a lot of the regulation and the restrictions to build the stations. So because of that, it's very hard to build a station where the people really want to refuel. For example, like a city town, it's not possible at the moment.
Because of safety concerns?
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. Yeah, because of that, people want to see the station near their residence,
Yep.
but actually they cannot see only out of the residence. So because of that,
Yeah.
so people, both the two parties have a different thinking and a concept. Because of that, your questions maybe it's my answer. Yes, why it wouldn't work at the moment?
Right.
This is my answer.
Right.
Maybe you got to point my points.
But you're working on it, and it sounds like you guys are making progress. So,
I believe so. Yeah, I'm the provider the refueling station solution over the world, not over Asia Pacific.
Yep.
So I see that a lot of the movement from other Asia country. Korea, we already have over 200 the station already. Yeah, but still not enough. Yeah, still not enough.
I had no idea.
Still not enough.
Right.
So we need to move on. So it will take time, and we feel the same like your questions.
Right.
But at the end, I'm sure that somebody can answer. You see,
Yep.
hydrogen is the future
Right.
at the end. So, but it need a process. It need some difficulty.
Right. There's no rush. Right.
No rush is the important from my point of view. So don't run. Just learn about more hydrogen. That's my answer.
Well, thank you so much for the interview. That was really interesting. I appreciate it.
Thank you very
All right.
much.
Thank you.
It was my pleasure.
Thank you. All right. Again, I'm Gabriel with Aving News. See you next time.